Sometimes the reading might play out in series, movies, or other media you're consuming and not in your real life. So please use your own discernment before taking in any guidance. If it doesn't feel like your situation, please try listening to other vibes for about 2 to 3 minutes and see if any of those resonate. If nothing is resonating, please let it go. Consider me as a loved one, reading cards for you to provide comfort, support, guidance, hope, or fun, whatever you need at the moment. Please remember, a reader is also learning and growing. In case of anything I say, or if the reading makes you feel any negative emotion, sorry, that's not the intention. Please do not take any decisions just on the basis of readings. Remember, readings are based on energies. They can change. If you do not like any outcome, you can work towards changing it. Please do not give away your power by getting addicted or by obsessing over the readings. Enjoy when available. Be happy with or without them.
Hi love, welcome. This is Isha and today I'm here with a pick a card reading on the topic guidance on your current situation. I have 3 options for you to choose from. This is going to be pile 1. This is going to be pile 2. And this is going to be pile 3. Let me show you all of them together. Please select your pile and fast forward to your chosen option. Hi pile 1, for all those who have chosen this nostalgia card. So you have selected the card of arcade. This indicates gaming, competitiveness. This could also indicate victory, success. But let's see. You might be someone who's very different from your family members, from people around you, your community, or a group of friends, or wherever you are at right now. You might feel very different from the people around you. You might have creative ideas. You might be very unconventional. You might have different ideas, opinions, beliefs, ways of living. Let's see. There might be someone around you who is sort of, very practical, who's a bit less emotional and less empathetic, who will be like equal give and take, who will invest in something only if they see a profit in it, if they are getting something out of it. This is that kind of energy, who will document everything, who's not too trusting. Yeah, there is this kind of energy around you. But then you also have this card of sunrise, which is indicating new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. So, as I mentioned earlier, you might be having some sort of different unconventional ideas or opinions. And then there is this new creative idea. So you might have some sort of an idea which is unconventional, which you don't know how it would be received. And then there is this energy of this person around you. Or you might be advised to be a bit like that. As in, you might be advised to not trust too much on someone. You're just asked to be cautious around someone. This page is giving an opportunity vibe. So there might be something in material aspect which is new, or something that you are new at, new opportunity like a scholarship or something new that you can learn and grow from, something new that you want to start perhaps. That could be this fresh start, some opportunity that you have received. But right now you are very confused. Perhaps you feel trapped and you might not be sure about this opportunity. You might not be knowing how this will work out. Maybe because that is unconventional than people around you. You also have the card, I have the perfect living space. So perhaps there is something that is making you feel, like you don't belong, because something is going on either with your living space directly, like literally something maybe about your house, or as I mentioned, you feel you are very different than the people at your house. It could be that, or there is something literally that is making you feel a bit out of place. So what this card is saying is that I see myself living in a wonderful place. It fulfills all my needs and desires. It's a beautiful location and at a price that I can afford. So literally you might be having some sort of issues with your house or your living space, or just about belonging in the place that you live in. As I mentioned, this could be something material. Either it is career wise or it could be about your house. That is also a material possession, right? So it could be about your house. There might be a new opportunity or a new place that you might be wanting right now. See, there's a key in his hand. So this could be a house or a key to something material, something that will make you feel like home. There is this fresh start. And then this could be your advice to, be cautious if you're dealing with someone related to your house matters. Just keep your documentation and everything correctly. All legalities it could indicate. So for your future outcome, the card that I received was Eight of Cups. So you are walking away from something, packing up and leaving. Yes, this could indicate showing your back and leaving something that you had invested in. So it is literally like you are packing and moving from a place that you have been for some time. You're moving somewhere that you will feel like home perhaps, and you may find someone over there. I don't know why I want to say that. You are guided. This is your safe place wherever you are walking towards, but you are definitely moving. You are leaving some situation. And when I asked for your blessings, you got Ace of Pentacles and Empress. So this is a total abundance card. So one thing could be that you are purchasing a new home, a new investment that you're making. If it is not about your house, it is something that you're investing in, something new. This is a new opportunity and this is going to be very abundant. And this also indicates creativity. So if it is not about your house, you are creating something, because you also had the Sunrise card, right? New venture, creative ideas. So if it is about a new project or something, then you are going to invest in it and it's going to be abundant and successful. Material fulfillment, abundance, self-love energy, having everything that you need to, live properly, luxuriously, whatever you want. It could be a lady as well, or a mother figure, or literally your mom, or some lady who is very abundant. This lady could be helping you. This lady could be a blessing in your situation. If it is not a lady, still this is a card of abundance, and you got this material card as well, Ace of Pentacles. This is a new physical, tangible opportunity. So when I asked for clarification for this Arcade card, you will receive Judgment and the Tower. Suddenly some judgment or decision might have been made, which is making you make this move or take this fresh start or buy this new place or this new thing that makes you feel like home. Suddenly some decision would have been made, and Arcade is something like winning. So it's possible that you might have won some sort of an opportunity. This is something that you were competing for, perhaps not necessarily, but this is something that you won. This might be very unexpected. This judgment, this is the result which was given in your favor, and you are offered this new opportunity, this new start, this new place, or whatever it is. But if we know the outcome, that you are leaving old and you are walking towards your abundance, towards your house, your home, or the place where you will feel like home and you will feel very abundant and nurtured. There's also one thing that I wanted to add. Maybe it is something that you won from this person who's like a fox. The judgment was made in your favor. If you are competing with this person, you are the one who's winning. But regardless, even if that competition part is not true, you are winning and you're moving out of some situation and getting something brand new, and you will be happy, happy, happy. Yes, that's what I have for you. Bye. Take care. Hi, Pile 2. You all have chosen this card, Animals, and you have chosen the Chameleon. This card is indicating something about resourcefulness, something about being flexible, adaptive, something about blending in wherever you are placed at. Let's see more. You also have this hot air balloon. This could be indicating that you are seeing something from a higher perspective. Yes, you are looking at something from above, up in the air. You are looking at a situation from a higher angle. Let's see more. So you have coins and you have the lion. So what this coins is saying is money will be coming to you, obviously. And lion is something which is saying time to act. So currently there might be some situation where you might have to be courageous or something and take action towards something material, something about your finances or some material aspect, and you have to take some sort of an action. And perhaps that is something that you might be contemplating, looking at things from a higher perspective. Let's see. There's something about a celebration or a friendship. Perhaps this is some sort of an event or gathering or something where you might have to take some sort of an action on something about your material possession, or maybe in this event you are going to benefit in some ways. There might be some money or something monetary coming towards you, something material, because of some sort of an action being taken by you or someone. And yes, you have the card of Chameleon, right? Belonging in this community. There's something that you are going to do, perhaps, that you will adapt to the people around you in this event, in this situation. And chameleon is also indicating resourcefulness, and there is money card, right? So someone resourceful might be around you, and you might connect with this person somehow, and you will blend in or something like that. And this is going to give you some sort of a benefit, some sort of a reward or a financial benefit, because you do something, because you say something, you take some sort of an action, and this happens. I release all criticism. I only give out that which I wish to receive in return. My love and acceptance of others is mirrored to me in every moment. As I told you, there's something about acceptance, belonging in this place, belonging with some sort of people. Okay, I'm getting one more scenario. Perhaps you are trying to fit in this situation, because this card is saying I only give out that which I wish to receive in return. So this might be saying that if there's something that you do not feel like you want to do, or something like you don't agree to, then don't. In order to fit in, you don't have to listen to everything about people around you. This is one scenario. And second could be, see, my love and acceptance of others is mirrored to me in every moment. Second scenario could be like you are a very loving person and you don't criticize people, and you just blend in wherever you go. You don't judge people. Like, you know, even if people are different around you, you might have different groups of people, and you don't, like, you know, compare and everything. Wherever, whoever you are with, you know, you blend with those people without judging. So that is going to benefit you in some sort of ways. Because of that, you might be getting some sort of benefit which might be tangible. For future outcome, something that was stuck, that is going to be moving forward, and there's going to be balance, restored, fairness, like good karma. Something that was not moving forward, or something you were not able to decide, or something toxic. This could indicate anything. This could be just indicating you being stuck and not knowing what to do, or a situation being stuck and something toxic. Whatever this is, it is going to be moving forward. And if this is a person or someone who is being toxic to you, or this situation, whatever it is, you are getting justice. There will be fairness and balance. Something that was like draining you, or someone who was not fair to you, now the wheel will turn in your favor. You will get justice in this situation. And I asked for blessing, and you got the card of Emperor. Someone who's very much in his authority position, someone who's very much in his power, structured and stable. So definitely your blessing is that you are coming in your power. You are claiming your power again. If because of this devil you had lost your power, you had given away your power, this is what is your blessing. You are coming in this position. If this is not you, then someone in this position, or someone who is like a father figure, is going to help you. This person is going to be your blessing. It's possible that you will take some sort of an action which will cause this justice, which will cause the situation to move forward, and you will remove yourself out of that toxic situation or that stuck situation, and you will no longer be stuck, and you will take action and reclaim your power, and you will get whatever this is for you, whatever material thing this is for you. I just want to remove one more card for you. Let's see, blessing for pile number 2, people, please. Okay. You got the Ten of Pentacles. See, this is your blessing. Something financial, something material, really abundance is coming to you. Money is coming to you. This is something monetary, money related. Or it could also be family and festival related. People, community, whatever is it, you are claiming your power back and money is coming to you. So if you're worried about your finances or something, about some situation where you have to go, perhaps where you feel like you have to adjust, or something that you don't have resources, or something that you're worried about, do not worry. One more thing, I want to clarify, why is this hot air balloon card for you? What are you looking at from a higher perspective? Just let me verify that. Please clarify, hot air balloon card, please. Why is this? Hangman, exactly. See how the cards match? Hangman is looking at things from a different perspective. It's hanging upside down, and this is clarifying this hot air balloon card. So you are literally looking at something from a higher view, from a different perspective, because maybe where you are at right now, maybe in your immediate surroundings, you cannot see things clearly because you're too close to some sort of a situation, and When you look at things from a higher perspective, when you pause and you reflect, then you get some sort of a solution. And maybe that is when that stuckness, it is going to move forward and you are going to claim your power. But what is this about exactly? We know that it is something about your finances because it's material, right? You have the Page of Wands. What is this? Seven of Wands, Two of Cups, King of Pentacles. There's something that you desire, something that you are passionate about. I don't know what this is. Something new or something that you desire, something that you're new at. But this is something that you are standing strong about. You are ready to fight. You are defending yourself. And then you have this card of balance and coming together, having heart-to-heart conversation, being on the same page. After you stand your ground, like I told you, you are claiming your power. And then there is this Two of Cups, people being on the same page. And then there is this King of Pentacles, which also resembles that Emperor card, coming into power, someone who's in an authority position, someone who's wealthy, stable and luxurious kind of a person. Because you stand your ground, perhaps you have this kind of relationship with that person, or you are turning into this person and everyone is agreeing basically. I mentioned earlier, one scenario was that you don't have to do something or agree to something that you don't want to do just to fit in, and that is what you're doing, and that is why you might be stuck. Now I got it, because there might be people around you, community of people around you, and it's like you don't feel like doing something that they are saying to you. Perhaps it just doesn't feel right, but you might not be knowing how to go against certain people because they might be close to you, or you just don't want to take some negativity from those people. Like you just don't want to spoil relations with those people, and that is why perhaps you're not sure now what should you do, because this doesn't work for you. Whatever they're saying is not okay for you. It's not right for you, and that is why you defend yourself, you stand your ground, and then these people will understand, okay? Because you have the Two of Cups, you're not going to lose true people, okay? True connections, partnerships, you will not lose them. So this justice and this balance is coming for you, and definitely you have money coming for you, okay? So if this is something financial contract, or something with some people, partnerships, it is in your favor. Whatever your situation is, it is in your favor, and money is there, abundance is there. Yes, that's what I have for you. Bye, take care. Hi Pile 3. Y'all have chosen this card of colors. You have the color Wine. This is a card of being social, and as you can see, Two Cups, so it's definitely about connecting with someone or some partnership, something social. Let's see. Pair of Boots. These are pairs, right? And then this is also a card of Wine, and there are two glasses. So I don't know, maybe you are flying with someone, or there's something about twinning, or there's something about two people coming together. There might be a trip or something that you're going somewhere abroad and you will need these sort of boots, or you might have purchase this literally, or it could be that you are packing to go somewhere snowy or something. I don't know, this vibe I'm getting, but whatever is it, you're preparing for some sort of a trip. You have Knight of Wands. You might be in an action-oriented mode. You might be preparing for some sort of a trip, as I told you, or perhaps you are in that trip. And this is also a card of moving forward on an adventure or something like that, taking action. Let's see more. There is some person who is very stubborn and aggressive with this ram, and then there's someone who will gossip about all your secrets. Don't worry about this. But basically, there is someone around you who's not very nice, you can say, who's very stubborn, aggressive, and someone who can't be trusted. If you are on a social trip, not just with one person, then there might be someone in your group of people that might not be trustworthy. So if you want to share something with someone, just be cautious. Who are you sharing with? Trust your intuition, okay? This person is someone who's not going to change. So if you are thinking that someone is going to, like, maybe listen to you and keep your secrets and, comfort you or something like that, or you might change someone's opinion about something, then no, this person is not trustworthy. So you also have the card, I am worth loving. And what it reads is that I do not have to earn love. I'm lovable because I exist. Others reflect the love I have for myself. So this is about your self-worth. Perhaps you are seeking some sort of a validation from someone who's not the right person. And you perhaps want to have this sort of a connection with someone who is not right. If it is not a love scenario, it is some sort of a partnership, material partnership, business partnership or whatever. This person is not trustworthy. This person is someone who gossips. This person is not a nice person. And you should not count on this person's validations and share your things with this person. Because firstly, even if this person was someone who's really nice, still, you do not need anyone's validation. You do not need to change for someone because you are worth loving as you are. Just because you exist, just because you are this very loving person, just however you are, you do not have to change because you deserve love. Everyone deserves love just as they are, and you do not have to change for this person and try to prove to this person something so that this person will give you attention or whatever validation that you are seeking in this connection. Even if it is a business partnership, you don't have to make this person agree to you and make this person love you or whatever it is. This is your future outcome. Someone from your past, someone who you have nostalgic feelings about. If it's not a person, then it could be a friend. It could be some sort of a situation from your past or your childhood or something about your inner child. Yes, something from your past is relevant in your future. If this is not your future outcome, if this is your current situation only. So this is someone from your past. This is someone who might be knowing your secrets, knowing your things, friendships, connections from your past that is relevant. And the blessing for your situation is 4 of Wands. Gatherings, marriage, family functions or some sort of a celebration, something about a house. Perhaps there's some sort of a function or something going on, celebration going on, some social event with some people of your past, or there's some sort of nostalgic element involved, some connection from your past, and there's some celebration which is going on. Maybe you fly and go for this function. Maybe you are going somewhere to your past or something like that. But it's not necessary. Let me clarify about this stubborn person. Maybe this person is someone who's traveled to you after a long time, because there is something that has gone wrong perhaps with this person, something sad going on. I don't know what is that, devil, but this person is not right again. Something is going on with this person. Definitely there is some person who's not right around you, who's sneaky, someone who's hiding something from you. There's something that is hidden, some strategy. There might be someone who's hiding something from their family or lying to their family because of some sort of a sad situation, some sort of a lost situation. But this is not a good energy as well. So there is communication happening with this person. This person might have come to you from your past and there's some sort of hidden aspect in this situation. Let's see what is your advice in this situation. What should 3 people do, please? Okay. Your advice is to be mature and practical in this situation. I want to clarify more. What is the advice for 3 people, please? So 3 people, please. Advice for 3 people. There's some sort of a emotional new beginning or new feelings towards someone, or if it is not a romantic situation, then something that you will like, that is emotionally fulfilling for you. This kind of a new emotional opportunity is there for you. Heart-based opportunity is there for you. Maybe this is a different person, a different opportunity. One thing I'm getting for your advice is that, see, this is someone from your past, and when your advice is Ace of Cups, which is new, so clearly what I'm getting is that your advice is let the past go and focus on your new connection, focus on the thing that you're newly feeling for, you're falling for, if it is a person or it is an opportunity, whatever is it that you will like and that is new and that is not recently come from your past. Not necessarily that this is not from your past, but this is something that you have started feeling newly about, new start in some situation that is happening, to go with this, and you will know who this person is. You might be having some sort of an idea who this person is. So your advice is to focus on the new. Just one last card for advice I want to get. New, fresh start. And this 9 of Swords is not being able to sleep, insomnia, anxiousness, just let this go. Whatever is making you feel anxious, just move away from it and focus on the new. Balancing of something, healing of something, something that perhaps hurt you in the past, and something that, you know, your past wound healing is there over here. So things going in your favor, things balancing out, good karma. There is some sort of balancing of wounds, healing of wounds associated with this new person. Let's get a blessing card for you. What is the blessing for pile 3 people, please, in this situation? Either there's some partnership which is beginning, or there is some partnership which had troubles going on and there is involvement of court or law or whatever. This is going to go in your favor because this is your blessing that I'm asking for. What is the blessings for pile 3 people, please? What is the blessings for pile 3 people, please? Warning of a problem either now or in the near future. So there is a problem which is going on now. See, you also had the Justice card and the Wheel of Fortune card, right? And then there's the involvement of law. So whatever problem or something that has happened to you right now, and I think it is happening in some sort of a partnership, that will turn out to be a blessing for you. So do not worry about that. So perhaps it is that person only. Sorrow over a loss. And I also mentioned that there's some sort of loss or sadness situation going on, right? And someone who's hiding something, someone who's not right, perhaps in someone's family, something is going on, but this person is not right. That person who's very stubborn and aggressive, perhaps you're trying to prove something to someone, like don't, that person is not even worth it. Who you're sharing things with, talking to, don't, because that person is not worth it. That person is creating issues with you, and this is about some partnership, either friendship, business partnership, love partnership, whatever is it. There is blame game going on. Perhaps someone is blaming some problem, issues, whatever is it. You don't have to worry about it because that is going in your favor. And also remember, your advice was like walking away from whatever was worrying you and focus on the new. Like your advice was Ace of Cups. Whatever new opportunity, this is new connection or new feelings or something like that that has started, to focus on that. And this could be new partnership as well, because this came as a blessing, right? So ring, proposing someone new. So this is all good. This is your blessing. So don't worry about the drama, whatever is it. This is going to be in your favor. What is the outcome for pile 3 people, please? Someone you know is undependable and insincere. Yes, so many times, like all these negative cards are coming about someone in your situation. Someone is really not trustworthy and someone who's lying. Some drama is going on in someone's life, someone who's lying, perhaps from the past, whatever is it. Don't get involved in it. Just go for the new and don't worry. Let universe take care of whatever this person is. You just be cautious and don't share your things with this person. And you love yourself first. You give all the love to yourself, and then this new start will happen. You first give all the love to yourself, so you don't have to prove anything to anyone, and this is the right new start for you. You focus on that. And you already have this card of celebration, marriage. This is a happy card, happy celebration card. Then don't worry. Just I'll get one more card for you because of all this problematic person, problematic cards of someone being insincere and all issues. Let's see what good is happening to pile 3 people, please. What is the blessing for pile 3 people, please? Blessing, 6 of Wands. Again, it's a social card, victory. There is Queen of Wands, someone who is very beautiful, attractive, someone in spotlight, someone who people desire. And this is also a social card, social media perhaps, or it's just a victory, or you know, you are winning a person like that. You are perhaps winning someone's heart like that. You perhaps have started a connection with a person like that. Either this is you who's winning, who's standing in your power, who's very attractive, winning people's attention, or this new thing that you desire could be related to this person, could be this person. and you might have won over this person's heart. Or else, if it is not a romantic situation, this is something that you desire, something related to social media perhaps, or something about being in spotlight, and you have sort of started this new thing of yours, and this is your blessing. You are being asked to focus on this and let all of it go. That past thing also, whatever it is, you are winning, you're victorious. So let all of this go. But most importantly, know your worth. Know your worth. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. Yes, that's what I have for you. Bye, take care.